parents, this is Miss Kennison, and I wanted to show you something I've been working on. And since I don't have a class this year to put all of these resources, I wanted to put them in a spot where everybody in the grade can find them. So you're going to go ahead and log into your parent Cape Henry account. I'm not sure if the kids can access these groups or not. I only know because it says that it's a parent group. Right here it says grade 5 parents, and so I don't know if the kids can access this on their end, but you certainly can when you log into the website. So you're going to go to your groups. You're going to go to grade 5 parents. It's going to look like this with the announcements, and I'm going to hit enter again because it should have a topics page. So if you saw what just happened, only the bulletin board page was coming up. So I just hit it again and then this whole page loaded. So you're going to go to topics, and I have been putting everything I can find and loading it into grade 5 math resources. So you'll click on this. I've put some links here for easy access, the IXL Cape Henry link, the Think Central link, which is where our student book and our student workbook are located. Every student at Cape Henry, if they're using their Chromebook, they've already logged into Think Central and they have it bookmarked. It's when you're logging into Think Central from a home computer that sometimes you run into some problems. So I put some directions here, but if you have trouble logging into Think Central from home, you can try some of these tips and let me know if it's not working for you. I also just went ahead and I downloaded all of the workbook chapters by chapter, so it's easier to access, and then that way you can just click on the chapter that you need and you can decide if it's like, for example, pages 101, 102 for homework, you can just print those 2 chapters. So those are the workbook pages, and then I'm going to continue to add math games here that are fun for kids to practice. And I've decided to start putting by chapter the resources. So I have chapters 4, 5, and 6. We just finished 4, starting 5, and then 6. And I've also put here my YouTube playlist link. I'm continually adding videos to this as the students have questions or as things come up. And so you can just click on that, and that will be my YouTube page. I go through certain workbook problems, homework problems that can be particularly challenging. And I've also, let's see, this link has more workbook problems. There's a lot of word problems. So that chapter had more videos that needed. And then this chapter, I don't know that I had workbook, but I had a lot of questions on the practice test. So this is the practice test, some of those questions I went through. So that might be helpful. And let's see. So I'm going to continue to add to this. Please let me know. Shoot me an email. My name again is Gabrielle Kennison. And let me know if there's something that you'd like to be on this page. I can add the extra practice packets or the enrichment packets, whatever other resources, more videos of the workbook problems, etc. I know the bar modeling and the word problems can be extra challenging. So I hope that the explanations make it easy for students to sort of visualize and work through. And I know that as sometimes a parent, it's hard to understand how they're teaching it at school. So I hope that also it's beneficial to parents at home to see how the kids are being taught math. And if you have any questions or anything that you'd like for me to add to it, please let me know. Thanks.